All right, it is Saturday morning, June 3rd, and we are leaving Scott City, and we are going to McCook. And we've got some weird weather and shoulders possibly ahead of us, but we'll deal with them. Yesterday's stopping point and today's starting point. So it's a nice day. It's actually we're wearing long sleeves, which is a strange thing after being down in Texas last week. Just did our requisite Kansas hay bale picture. Oops, it's all blurry. In the hills today, on the opposite of yesterday. We'll plow through, it's just a matter of time. Stuff on the shoulder. This is our shoulder that we are having to skip, so we're not going to ride on that. Traffic is not super busy, except for this motorcycle with a trailer.
Yeah.
But we deem this not a good road to ride on, so we're going to skip it. This is the 83 north of Oakley, heading to, what do we say the name of that city was? Oberlin. Yeah, the shoulders are just too narrow here. There's not a lot of traffic, but the shoulders are just super tangled. So for safety, we're skipping this part. We're just enjoying it in the car. We're riding with bikes up US Route 83, so that's good enough for right now. We'll jump back on it in just a minute. We are back in action. Got a bunch of jerseys out here. I got mine on too. So very official. Alright, gotta go get this hill. Take a little break in Oberlin, Kansas. And we went into Ray's Grocery and got some peanut butter danishes that look like chicken breasts. And we got some little Dutch-made chocolate chip cookies, which were made in Abilene. They got here before we did. But they didn't run back. Oberlin, heading to the border, right into the group. Oberlin's back there. And Billy and Bailey ought to be over here, getting dressed up. There's Jessica waving, small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. There you go, Billy's now in Nebraska. We're good. Here's Nebraska.
Purple bonnet.
Our waving video. Yeah,
nice
your
headwind.
what? Where you slipped onto that?
Clipped on.
Clipped onto the side.
We are north of McCook now. The other group's riding up to McCook. And we've got Kirsten and David and Michelle on bikes in their matching jerseys, looking very official. And storms are predicted. You can see off to the west. It's looking pretty great. So we're going to try to do 15 miles. Again, the wind's blowing pretty strong from the side and from the front. And then we'll head on back and rendezvous at the school or church in McCook, Florida. Here, David and Kirsten going up this very big hill outside of McCook. We've been fighting it for a while. It's a long one, but they had a good long downhill to get into this thing, so the price you pay. Cook, all safe and sound out of the weather and the wind. We've got another haul of bicycles. Time to get behind it. Bandshell in McCook. A neat little park. You can sing happy birthday.
Aww. Is that a watermelon? Aww. I'll wear it. Oh my gosh, this is the most precious thing. Happy birthday.
family restaurant in McCook. And there are a ton of cookie jars. It's wonderful. It's overwhelming. These are some of the cookie jars, again, from floor to ceiling.
I want your
Alright, we're
tomatoes. You can have it.
chowing down on some humongous plates of food.
Did you skip tomatoes on the
Come
side
on,
of your
with
chicken?
George Norris in McCook. And George was in the House of Representatives for 5 terms. And here's his home right here. Oh, yeah, that's a senator right there. So there's that, and there's that, and then there's a wonderful park across the street. We were there earlier.